Welcome to this short video about the integrated threat demonstration environment. I'm Richard Diver and I'm going to show you how to get logged in and use this great resource. So what's included in this demonstration environment is everything that you would expect to see in the Microsoft 365 Defender or the E5 suite. You're also going to see Azure Sentinel, now called Microsoft Sentinel, Microsoft Defender for Cloud, which was Azure Defender. You're going to see the Firewall, DDoS, WAF solutions. You can even get into Azure Purview Studio, and we're going to add more to this as time goes by. So keep an eye on this demo environment. Simplest way to get access is to use this AKA link, take you to the partner demo. That takes you into a place actually called demos.microsoft.com or the CDX Transform platform, known by many different names. And in there, we're going to give you a new account called pdemo, and you sign in with pdemo and the password. And that's what this short video is about, is to teach you how to do that, best ways to get into it, how to use it, etc. If you get any problems logging in to the screen and don't see the screens that I'm going to show you, contact this support at transform.microsoft.com. They'll help you out. Okay, so to get access to this, this is a demonstration environment for your demos and personal learning accounts. If you want to see the full terms of use, please follow this URL here, but it's not meant for use for things like testing or training. There are other mechanisms for doing that. So this is what you should see. You should see this, we call it a card. It's a demonstration card. It explains the duration and roles and industry. There's a lot of these. If you look through the rest of the My Demos site, you're going to find this. And you can see that the information at the bottom here is grayed out. So until you activate it, you can't actually get access to the resources. So what I want you to do is click on Add New Account. When you add a new account, I want you to put in some details that you can come back and use time and time again. What we recommend here, is I filled them in as mine, is to put your name and then put personal learning account. So now every time you come back to any of these demonstration environments, just search for your name, and then you're going to find, you can just type that in, and it's going to activate then the demonstrations. Once activated, you'll see this, these blue links here available, and this is the one I want you to go and click on straight away, is the partner shared credentials. Now, this might change in future, and we might make this password change daily. So you need to be able to come back to this exact web page, fill out these details very quickly, get the new password, and then you can have access to the environment. Again, right now we show you this card, we show you the user ID, the password, copy and paste it, put it into your browser and log in. We do give you this URL for M365D demo. That'll take you straight into that environment. One of the things to be aware of is if your company automatically logs you into Office 365 already or Azure, you're going to need to check that you're actually logging in with the pdemo account and not your company details. You may need to use a sign out and sign in, or you might want to use a different browser or an in-private browser session. When you get in, look for the top left-hand corner there. You're going to see Microsoft 365 Defender at contosohotels.com. That is our demo environment. And you can see down the left-hand side, you have access. It's read-only access, but you have access to all of the different systems. And we'll light more up as we can. Hopefully, we'll start to see some of the compliance capabilities coming in too. Really, right now, this is mostly focused on security. And we're always throwing more and more threats and demonstration use case scenarios added so that you can see something more realistic than maybe if you built this yourself and only had one or two use cases. You can also use these credentials to get into portal.azure.com. If you look at the top right-hand corner, you'll see that's the pdemo account signed into Contoso Hotels. You can go and look at Microsoft Sentinel. You can see into Defender, which is the Microsoft Defender for Cloud now. Firewall, DDoS, WAF, like I said before. And from this Microsoft Sentinel interface, when you go into something like incidents and you find an incident from Microsoft 365, you can click the link and go back to 365 and investigate from there. So hopefully this gives you the full end-to-end experience. You'll find it useful. Any feedback, let us know. Go try it out today.